Kani kadai ka Batisi TV, bat pidang pet ya ka kubor baman kasni, belawan rasha pi da ka rupa, ringkat bat ka orange Nissan, lom sopo near Fabricate Shillong.
New Nissan Kicks. Bookings open now.
Myntri Rangbah ka Jalau Konrad ke sangma hakalai tarik upanai nailar arjar khat khandai ula Plie ba ya ka program Shaping Young Minds balapanlong da ka Guwahati Management Association Skulbah Nehu Shillong. Myntri Rangbah haba kren hakani ka sngi kumukongsan ula ong bagi samla jong kani kari ki dai ki spa ba bat ki lawe jong kari ki ban salong ki nong yalam bat ki nong saindori ya ka pateng ka ban sawan. Hagjo kapor ulaya tho ba ka office Prokram jong u kalapan mi ya ka way ka program block to block da ka babu thong ban le jurip ya ki Southern Rituli ki community and rural development block hagajla hapo shipo snem khnang bandup snutho ya ka jing e ba ki pai ba ki kendo ha ki snong ki thau ha ka ba dei ba ki kampan roi ba ka jing em ka ba man la ka sngi Hagani ka sngi Konrad sangma ula Plie baru ya ka souvenir kum ka jingkan mau ya ka jingdap sun post nem jong ka Guwahati Management Association.
These programs like these will allow you as a young generation to really open up to that challenge and ensure that you use all your energy in the most constructive manner. The practical side of management at the end of the day will really depend on the situation that you are in. Things change. I was an entrepreneur before I started my business. I studied in school that is outside, in the US, in the UK. I learned different formulas, different strategies, everything. And I came back to Northeast to start a business, and I just couldn't apply any of those theories out here. The kind of technologies that were available in the US and UK were not here in India. The kind of politicians that we have in the US and the UK were not the kind of politicians we have in India. The kind of officers that we have out there, not the kind of officers we have out there. So it's different. But at the end of the day, you have to remember that certain principles you have to keep in your heart. And it's the character, the principle, your ideologies, your vision. Ultimately, that is what will get you through. But I can tell you one of the most important things that you will ever need in whatever you do is going to be the passion to do what you want to do. And the passion comes with what you believe in. If you don't believe in something, you will not be passionate about it. And if you're not passionate about it, you will not be able to succeed in it. Because you will face challenges, and you will face difficulties, and you will fail many times. But then the passion will make you get up and say that no, I will do it again, I have not failed. A positive difference in a human being's life, that is my purpose. And that is what drives me and makes me passionate about what I do. And I told my officers and my ministers and my MLAs in this assembly session that if you really want to make that difference in the people's lives, it can't be by sitting in Shillong. It can't be by sitting in the secretariat. You must get your hands dirty. You must go down to the field. You must visit the subcenter at the PHC and the CHC where there is no medicine maybe, or no power, or no water. And this is what we have started doing. I have a program that is called Block to Block. My target is to cover 46 blocks in the next 2 years. The idea being to meet the people, see the people, see the conditions of the different villages, and maybe then I'll be able to create better policies which can create a positive difference in a person's life. And the reason I'm telling you this is because when you are in leadership position, and I know that many of you will be, remember that you cannot be up there. You have to be right down there with the people who you're working for. If you remember these 3-4 things that I've mentioned, which are not really big and great things, but just basic things in life, which I have learned through whatever little experience that I've had, I think I want to share this with you to shape your young minds. And that remember that always passion is important, hard work is important. Remember that you have to be hands-on. Remember that you cannot be the boss, you have to be a part of the team. By seeing the kind of different programs that they've done, and the different programs that they've been organizing continuously. And I would also inform you that in the coming days and months, in fact, Meghalaya will be hosting a very, very big program, which will be called, the food show. It's a Sial program. I don't know how many of you know what Sial is, but Sial is one of the biggest food shows in the world. It's organized in Paris. So Meghalaya has tied up with Sial to have Sial Shillong. And this will be held every year for the next 5 years. And the idea is to promote food processing. Again, answer the question.